What if I told you that the business is crushing it on Facebook ads, showing up everywhere on social media, and consistently getting 5-star reviews? They're not hiring bigger teams, they're building smarter ones, AI ones. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own AI marketing team for your local business. 5 specialized agents that research, write, strategize, manage your reputation, and analyze your results, all without writing a single line of code. Stay to the end because the way these 5 agents connect together is where the real magic happens. And I'll show you a real example of what this system actually produces. Welcome back to Ace Media. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping local business owners use AI to grow faster, spend smarter, and compete with the big guys. I'm talking restaurants, plumbers, dentists, gyms, salons, any local business that wants to win in 2025 without burning out or blowing their budget. Now here's the thing, most business owners are using AI like a vending machine. You put in a prompt, you get one output, done. But that's not how a real marketing team works. A real team has specialists. You've got the person who digs into market research. You've got the ad copywriter, the social media person, the reputation manager, and the analytics brain who tells you what's actually working. So today we're going to replicate that. We're building 5 AI agents inside Claude, each one with a specific job, and we're connecting them into a system that runs your marketing like a well-oiled machine. Let's start with Agent 1, the AI Market Research Specialist. This is your intelligence agent. Before you write a single ad or post a single piece of content, you need to know what your customers actually care about, what your competitors are doing wrong, and what gaps exist in your local market. Here's how you build this agent. Inside Claude, you create a custom system prompt that tells the AI exactly what role it's playing. You might write something like, "You are a local market research specialist for a dental practice in Austin, Texas. Your job is to analyze competitor reviews, identify patient pain points, and surface opportunities that we can highlight in our marketing." Then you feed it real data. Pull Google reviews from your top 3 competitors, paste them in, and let the agent analyze patterns. What are patients complaining about? Long wait times, poor communication, hidden fees? That's gold. That's your marketing angle. This one agent alone can save you hours of manual research and give you a competitive edge most local businesses completely ignore. Next up, Agent 2, the AI Facebook Ads Copywriter. So now you know how to build your research foundation, but the next agent is where that research turns into real revenue. Agent 2 is your AI Facebook Ads Copywriter. This is the one that pays the bills. Facebook and Instagram ads are still the most powerful paid traffic source for local businesses, but only if your copy actually connects with your audience. And that's where most business owners fail. They write generic ads. Best pizza in town, call us today. Nobody clicks that. With your AI Facebook ads agent, you're taking the pain points your research agent uncovered. Say patients hating unexpected dental bills, and you build a system prompt that says, "You are a direct response Facebook ad copywriter for a dental practice. Write 3 ad variations targeting people who are anxious about dental costs. Use the pain points, fear of hidden fees, desire for painless treatment, and wanting to be seen quickly." Each ad should have a hook, body copy, and a clear call to action. Now you're not just using AI to write words, you're using AI to write words that convert. And you can run this agent every time you launch a new campaign, a seasonal promotion, or a new service. This is how local businesses are getting more out of every dollar they spend on Facebook ads. Here's the thing, paid ads get you traffic, but content keeps you relevant. That brings us to Agent 3, the AI Content and Social Media Strategist. This agent's job is to make sure your business shows up consistently on social media without you having to think about it every single day. You build this agent with a system prompt like, "You are a social media strategist for a local HVAC company. Create a 30-day content calendar that includes educational posts, behind-the-scenes content, customer testimonials, and promotional offers. Tailor the tone to be friendly, trustworthy, and locally relevant." What comes out is a full month of content ideas, captions, hashtags, and posting schedules. You're not guessing what to post, you're executing a strategy. And here's a pro tip. Connect this agent's output back to Agent 1's research. If your market research agent found that customers are worried about energy bills this summer, Your content agent should be creating posts about that exact topic. That's how the system starts talking to itself. Now pay attention to this one, because it's the one most local businesses completely overlook. Agent 4 is your AI review and reputation manager. Your online reputation is your most valuable marketing asset, more than any ad you'll ever run. Studies show that 93% of consumers read online reviews before choosing a local business. So how do you manage that at scale without spending hours every week? You build a reputation agent. This one's system prompt might look like, you are an online reputation manager for a local restaurant. When given a negative review, craft a professional, empathetic response that acknowledges the issue, offers a resolution, and invites the customer back. When given a positive review, write a warm, personalized response that reinforces the specific thing they praised. Now every single review, good or bad, gets a thoughtful, on-brand response. No more ignoring negative reviews because you didn't know what to say. No more copy-pasting the same generic "thanks for your feedback" reply. This agent alone can dramatically improve how potential customers perceive your business before they ever walk through your door. Alright, so we've got research, ads, content, and reputation. But how do you know if any of it is actually working? That's where Agent 5 comes in, the AI Analytics and Growth Advisor. This agent takes your performance data and tells you what to do next. You build it with a prompt like, you are a marketing analytics advisor for a local gym. I will provide you with monthly data including Facebook ad click-through rates, cost per lead, Instagram engagement rates, and Google review scores. Analyze this data and give me 3 specific actions I should take this month to improve performance. Then you paste in your actual numbers from Facebook Ads Manager, Google Business Profile, and your CRM. And what you get back isn't just pretty charts, it's direction. Should you increase your ad budget, switch your targeting, post more video content? Your analytics agent tells you based on your actual real-world data. This is the kind of strategic guidance that used to cost thousands of dollars a month from a marketing consultant. Now it's happening inside Claude in minutes. Okay, so now you've got all 5 agents, but here's where Ace Media wants to show you the real power move, connecting them. The output of Agent 1 feeds into Agent 2. The content themes from Agent 3 align with the ad angles from Agent 2. The reputation insights from Agent 4 inform what Agent 3 posts about. And Agent 5 sits above all of it, analyzing what's working across every channel. You do this by saving each agent's output and using it as input context for the next agent. Over time, you're building a system that gets smarter every single month. It knows your brand, your audience, your local market, and your results. That's not just AI, that's leverage. Let me give you a real example of what this produces. Imagine you run a local med spa. Agent 1 discovers that your competitors' reviews are full of complaints about long wait times and staff feeling rushed. Agent 2 writes Facebook ads with hooks like, "Finally, a med spa where you're not rushed out the door." Agent 3 builds a content calendar around the theme of luxury without the wait. Agent 4 responds to every review with personalized replies that reinforce your attentive service. And Agent 5 tells you that your video content is getting 3 times the engagement of your static posts, so you double down on Reels. That's a complete AI marketing team for your local business, running like clockwork every single week. So let's bring this home. Here are the 3 biggest takeaways from today's video. Number 1, stop using AI one prompt at a time. Build agents with specific roles and specific system prompts. Number 2, the real power is in connecting your agents so their outputs build on each other. Number 3, this system works for any local business. It doesn't matter if you're a dentist, a plumber, a restaurant owner, or a gym. The framework is the same. The AI marketing team for local businesses is no longer a future thing, it's a right now thing. If this was helpful, smash that like button. It genuinely helps more local business owners find this content. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 5 agents are you building first? I read every single comment and I'd love to know. And if you're not subscribed to Ace Media yet, hit that subscribe button right now. We drop AI marketing strategies every single week, built specifically for local businesses that want to grow. Next week, we're going deep on how to use AI to cut your Facebook ad costs in half. You do not want to miss that one.